And here, as you can see, I've successfully inserted my YouTube video gallery. And here's how to create YouTube video gallery in WordPress website. Follow all of these steps very carefully to add or create your YouTube video gallery in your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then go to Add New Plugin page. And here you have to type YouTube video gallery. And here scroll down and you have to search for this plugin, YouTube WordPress plugin by Embed Plus. All you have to need install and activate this plugin in your WordPress site. Once the plugin successfully activated, in this left hand menu you see this YouTube free. Click on that and you directly jump into the plugin dashboard. Here, first of all, we have to generate and add API key here. So go to API key section and here we can see the YouTube API key option. And now to generate YouTube API key, open a new tab and type here Google Developer Console and open console.developers.google.com website. Make sure to open console.cloud.google.com and once you are first time in this website, you have to sign in here. So click on sign in and all you have to need, select your account. Now we have to create a new project. So click on the select project and here click on new project and project name I'm typing here YouTube API key and here I'm clicking on create and here you can see the project is creating. Once the project created, click on select project to work with the project. Once you are in this project interface or dashboard, here you have to click on this go to APIs overview and from this page click on enable APIs and services and here in this search API services box type here YouTube and select YouTube Data API version 3 and click on YouTube Data API version 3. Click on enable. Once the YouTube Data API enabled, now we have to create credentials. So click on create credentials. What data will be accessing? Here I'm selecting. We have to select public data and click on next. And here as you can see, I've successfully generated my YouTube API key. Now let's copy this API key. And if you want to restrict this API key for random platform or apps, you can click on restrict. But in my case, I'm going to unrestrict and clicking on done to save change. And here is my API key. Now let's go back to my plugin dashboard and here pasting my API key, clicking on save changes, clicking on OK, and then go to this default section and here you can change YouTube options. Here I'm going to turning on autoplay for YouTube, turning off auto annotation and turning on show full screen button and rate progress bar. You can change your YouTube video player width and height from here. Responsive video size, I'm turning on it and go ahead and adjust these settings and clicking on save changes. And now all you have to need, go to post or page where you want to embed your YouTube video gallery. Now let's edit a existing post. For example, once you are in the post or page editor, add a new block and here you have to type YouTube and select the YouTube wizard block. Here click on open wizard, and here you can select embed a playlist or embed a channel. I'm selecting here embed a channel, and in this link box you have to add your YouTube channel link. So let's copy our YouTube channel link first of all and pasting into this box, get channel, and here we can see my YouTube preview. Here I'm clicking on insert as gallery, and here as you can see I've successfully inserted my YouTube video gallery. Now I'm clicking on save, and let's view this post, and that's it. Here I've successfully inserted my YouTube video gallery on my WordPress. Thanks for watching.